Okay, so now, if I do this thing right and click on send, let me see what happened. So it returned me the record for the user, right? So what record it returned me? So this is created by admin and some information I am getting about the name is NLK, right? I am giving the sys ID of 1LK and it is returning me. So now let me try something. If I delete the ID here, let's say I am not passing anything if I click now. Okay, it is telling bad request, so basically I have to pass the thing. It's trying how we can get all the ID, okay, how we can get all the user information. That will check. Okay, I will try to find it. What is the IP and what URL I have to pass to get all the if I delete it again, let's see. Okay. So maybe we have to pass, like sys, param limit equal to 100. If I do that, will it happen? Okay. Maybe I have used earlier. That's why it is coming. Let me go to the API document. But how it happened I need to know, right? So this is my API, right? I saw in the connection JSON. And after that if I scroll down. So this is my import JSON. Maybe in the import right they have used that link. Copy this import API. Okay, give a separation okay. And after doing a separation, let me paste it here. Yeah, so the API they are using right to get all the user. Okay, this is for user role. Let me scroll above. Okay, scroll above, scroll above. Okay, so this is your, like you know. Your import account. See, they are using domain name API. Sys user. After that sys param limit 100. Basically, it is trying to face the 100 user. If I give 1000 right, 1000 user will come okay. So this is how they are trying to fix all this. Ticket related information. Right, so I got the age record so you can verify it right. Go to your window. Go to the service now. Where is that? Okay, let me go here back. I see a record here, right virtual agent right. This name is virtual agent. Let me copy this, virtual agent. Come back to Postman. I got the output right. Right to find it out, okay. How many ticket? We had 625 right, so let me increase the limit to 1000 now, so it should face all the 1000 user now. Okay, give it a second, let it load properly. Okay, now it came right now. Let me search it something. See the sign up user came right and this virtual agent right. If I type here, all the user now came. Virtual agent also came right. So basically face all this user record, whatever they're in service. Now I am trying to get it and I am able to face it under my Postman okay. So this is how, like you know, you will be preparing Postman. So now what we can do. First step right. If you look at the document, what they are provided by the same right. If I go here, I go to the save in document. So first thing they are telling right to create account you have to prepare the connection. Okay, if you thoroughly go here, write service now. Write that all the things are written here. I will download this document. Let me download it. Select, save selected topic or all. What should I do? If I do save selected topic and subtopics. Let me do it. Let it download, then I can see what it is giving the information, at least you can read and have it. So now it is downloaded. Where it went? Maybe back in it called download. If I go to download ServiceNow connector. Let me open it. 51 page scroll down. Okay, so only our requirement came, ServiceNow as a manage application. That's fine. ServiceNow as a manage application, right, it started here. So let me copy this document and put it for you in the document folder. I believe you guys were there. This folder. It is no, this training 8, this folder. This is accessible to you, right guys? Okay, so here I am trying to accepting it, but I need to check it later. This document. Okay. So you can download or take over this document for you. Okay, so let me open it here. Okay, so ServiceNow as a manage application. It came down, so first thing you have to configure a connection. Okay. You have to prepare a connection for you. So, for preparing a connection, what you can do, you can scroll down whatever they have given the default connector, right? I think. See if I download. Okay now. Okay. So first thing is the basic token, where you are simply passing your username password, right? The first thing like basic authentication type. So this is your basic. We are not going to use this connection. We will be using the second connection to define this parameter. Connection using authentication type. Let me see whether the complete has come or not. Okay, it is there, so better to copy I can. What I can do. I can come back to the document and here I will click on copy. I believe I already copied here. So this is your connection, what they are telling. Okay. So this connection, right, I will be preparing it here. Let me right click. Save as OK. I am training a patch, so I will be giving here. Service. Now the name OK. Once you save it OK, first thing it will ask authentication. So, basically, we are trying to establish a collection, so that's why the name will be always authentication. Okay, and this is user. I can give any name, like anything, but if you give any name in the subsequent call when I do a create account or see, try to compare it. First thing, we prepared a connection. Right now we are trying to prepare this connection. So what? The connection name I am giving here. Write this here. Write this name. It will be utilized by your create account as well as to get the user it OK. This will be utilized. So any name you can give it, but this name you will be using in the next call. OK, and authentication type it is OAuth2. So you know, I created OAuth2 token here. Right, I use a generated OAuth2 token. how I did it. I went to the API. In the service now. I went to the here in the application registry and I showed you right. So that information you to prepare here. In the URL write what URL I should pass for the connection if you go to a postman write in the postman in the connection write. Okay. So let me do one thing. Let me export this connection for you, right, so that once you download Postman, it is required for you. Okay, you can export. And you can see connection version 2.1, export. What happened where it exported? Okay, now, if I go here training 8-bit batch, so I am giving Postman collection. Okay, so the name it will be same, don't change it. New service now. Demo it, okay, Postman.